Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, coming back for the turbo turn up. And I generally don't do videos in the day, but since everybody's panicking and people are blowing up my DM and messaging and flooding Twitter, so I can't admit I was wrong yesterday about the turbo price going up and the turbo holders going up. I thought that the listing would push the price, but I didn't take in mind or take into consideration the Fed and these freaking interest rates. I don't know about you, but in Texas, they're getting killed with interest rates and insurance premiums going up because the Fed won't cut the freaking interest rate. But I'm not going to get political. I'm just sticking to um, the crypto market. This is 99 Bitcoin, which I'm not even sure what the site is. They had the article, so I just pulled it up. Crypto prices, including Bitcoin, Solana, are down today after the Fed held the interest rate steady at 5.5%. But why is crypto down? Yet this is nothing new. Crypto prices seem seesaw. At one time, they can fly to new highs, while in some cases, crash can force speculators to exit. So this is crypto prices. But why is crypto down? Just like it happened today. After a strong July, which started on a weaker foot, prices rebounded sharply, lifting the world's most valuable coin to nearly 70,000. However, by the end of July 31st, Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies are down. To put the numbers into perspective, CoinMarketCap shows data that's broader crypto scene is down nearly 3.5% to a total to 2.31 trillion. Bitcoins remain the lead, but losses mean it's below 1.3 trillion to 1.2 trillion. Commanded a market share of 55.1. Contrasting, Bitcoin prices are negatively affected by altcoins, especially Solana, which flash crashed nearly 10% to the biggest drop in all top 13. XRP and Ethereum, which shed about 5%, are other notable losses. So it might be a good time to grab some Bitcoin. And this is really, it's weird because this is the actual YouTube I was looking at earlier, but let's go to this YouTube real quick.
Watch, we are talking about big news on interest rates from the Federal Reserve. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here to tell us all about it and what it means for you. Good morning, Jill.
Good morning.
All right, so the Federal Reserve met yesterday. Interest rates could be cut soon. What more can you tell us about that?
So, listen, we knew that they weren't going to take any action at this meeting, but in the press conference, it was very clear. Jerome Powell's like September. September is the one that's in view. So I expect a quarter point drop at the September meeting. That's your big takeaway. It would be the first time in over a year that the Fed's done anything. Very important start of a longer process.
All right. So what does this mean for home buying?
This is interesting because we know that mortgage interest rates, they're not controlled by the Fed, but they react to the Fed. And so the idea that rates will be coming down is helping to bring the mortgage rates down. But the housing market has been really socked because we have the combination of high mortgage interest rates, but not a lot of inventory, and it has slowed down the entire housing market. Existing home sales fell to a 13-year low. New home sales really kind of stuck in neutral. So what we're hoping for is as interest rates come down, more homeowners can come into the market.
Okay, diving deeper into those numbers, a recent report found that in more than 200 markets, you need $1 million to buy a starter home.
Yeah.
Why so expensive?
It's so crazy. You know, it's hard to imagine this, but when we don't have a lot of inventory, right, not enough supply, and people want to buy houses, the prices will go up. So even with higher mortgage interest rates, prices have gone through the roof. And so what's important here is that if you're
Prices are getting crazy. I can attest for that. I'm glad we got in before things get out of control. But as they're mentioning, between your homeowner's insurance and interest, these prices are getting crazy out of control. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let's go to Twitter real quick. Let's see here what's going on. Don't forget to join the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. So this is Be Like Turbo. Hold and enjoy Turbo Revolution. Crypto Aura. So that's what I'm saying. Just hold it and be calm, guys. There's nothing you can do, right? You don't have to message me and send me information. There's nothing we can do but wait. So just stay calm and buy the dip, actually. Um, Altcoin Cup meme edition. It's the 7th day of Altcoin Cup. Huge round for Baby Doge yesterday. Today we have Pepe Coin, Pepe versus Turbo, Turbo Token. You decide who goes through the next round. And so far, it looks like Pepe is falling to Turbo. And this is just offloading, just toting off. Turbo to $1, 69 billion market cap. Turbo Toad, Turbo Revolution, Turbo Token. This is the listing for buying Bitfinex. So that was yesterday. Without the listing would push us, but this is me. Be patient. Turbo's coming down for us to pick it up. The pump is coming. So we're at a 316.5 million market cap. And let's check that actually. So we're at a 311.2 million market cap, down 0.021 for the hour, down 13.02 last 24 hours, down 12.9 the last 7 days, up 17% in the last 30 days, up 11.9 the last 90 days. And for the year, we're up 4,886. 24-hour low is 0046. Whoa. 24-hour high is 0056. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So we'll look at the holders, and it's 36,592. And I want to find the image from yesterday. I think I saved it somewhere. Yeah, I think this is it. So yesterday we were at 30,000. Whoa, did we go down? 30,589. So it looks like we picked up 89, well, 90, 91, 92, 3 holders from yesterday, which is definitely less than I was expecting. But again, the market's down. So let's look at the bubble. You can see there's no green on the bubble at all. Everything tracking's down. Kinu Indu is down 29%. If you're getting into that, you could get in now for a pretty good discount. I'm not sure. I never researched it. I've seen people talking about it, but I haven't really got into that. Let me see. Turbo is not a dead coin, Mr. Drago. Everything's down, bro. Look at the market, right? Let's see here. Bonk's down 13.2. My lady is down 10.6. USDT's down 9.5. Milano's down 12. Kameem's is down 6. Beam is down 12. Ordinar's down 15. 8 is down 10. Cat and a Dog's World is down 19.3. Whoa. Poke's down 14.2. some might move some stuff around today because this is a serious discount. Tau is down. Tau is down 10.8. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Chronic Jack, loving Turbo 100%. Buying loads. Definitely going to buy some more since the price is down. Beams down 12.3. Caspa, which finally came up to 20 cents, is back down to 19.6, down 4.3 for the day, 1.4 in the last hour. And expect these to continue to go down as the Fed interest rate non-cut is starting to affect the rest of the markets. MOG's down 21.4. Arch Block's down 5.5. Orni's down 4.2. SHIB's down 7.4. KDA Cardano or Cardina is down 15 or 10.5. ADA Cardano is down 6.6. Dodge is down 8.5. Filecoin is down 7.2. Gala's down 7.8. Poke's down 13.9. And again, it's coming down for us to pick it up. Let's go. Ethereum Classic is down 6.9. Litecoin is down 5.7. Miro's down 13.3. Surf is down 13.9. Cox is down 15.3. AVT is down 9.2. Pith is down 9.3. Flocke is down 12.3. Arch Ham is down 11.3. EHEX is down 10.9. Color is down 8.9. Solana's down 10.5. Might be a good pickup. Turbo is down 13.6. Let's go. Down 13.6 in the last hour. Down 13.9 for the week. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo. But don't give up on turbo just yet. FET is down 8.1. Mana's down 7.5. Rose is down 10.2. Pepe's down 12.6. Flux is down 10.4. Ordina or Ondo is down 7.7. Cat with a hat is down 17. Dog with a hat is down 17.7. Popcat's down 13.2. ZBCN is down 8%. Ingest is down 9.7. Prime is down 8.4. Satoshis. Anybody actually investing in Satoshis? I know that you can mine them, but I don't know if anybody's actually buying these. But Satoshis is down 15.8. Brett is down 12.3. Myra is down 10.5. Stacks is down 8.4. So as a whole, guys, everything is down. Let's see, looking at the turbo, down 1.89. Bitcoin's down 1.45 in the last hour. Ethereum's down 1.38, down 8% for the day, 8.47 for the day. Bitcoin's down 8.8 for the day. Turbo's down 13.9. Market cap is 309.1 million. And we were thinking it was going to pump like crazy. Dang it, Fed. The Fed every time, man. So this is 4-hour chart. And looks like we are down to 4.0048. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Looks like we're down 007. Had a bit of a green candle. Looks like RSI is way down and we're losing volume. So expect the price to continue to go down. I'm thinking we might get down back to the 0.035 range because with the interest rate cut and crypto as a whole down, there's nothing to keep turbo back up. So I think it's going to continue to slide. And why is CoinMarketCap showing us old numbers? I guess CoinMarketCap doesn't auto refresh. They're saying fully diluted market cap is 329.9 million. Current market cap is 308.4 million. And we'll look at the DEX tools. DEX tools is showing, this is the 4-hour chart. Let me check the 15-minute chart. Yeah, a massive push down like everything else in the market. And we got a lot of selling going on. Got some buying. Looks like somebody bought 1.9 million. Somebody bought 1 million. This other whale bought 1 million. This other whale bought 1.7 million. This whale bought 2.7 million. This guy bought 800,000. This guy sold 1.6 million. Somebody sold 848,000. This guy sold 1.3 million, which is weird. This is like the worst time ever to say. Let me know in the comments. 1.3 million, 253,000. So it's pretty much up and down. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. See if we can find a quick video. So this is the Twitter. This is Turbo. Channel your inner Jedi and accelerate your crypto journey with Turbo. The force is strong with this one. And you guys know I love Star Wars themed memes about Turbo, right? I'm going to find them and always display those. This is come join the real crypto community Turbo. Turbo Toad family and army. Web of 3 enthusiasts. So swap some Ethereum for some Turbo and let's go. Just trying to see what else we got out here. See if there's any Turbo news going on or if there's any other interesting things. Don't see any new videos yet.
The excellence of driving a Buick is matched by the excellence of the dealership experience when you own a Buick. Get 0.9%.
The crypto world has been in a state of panic. Bitcoin has shaken the market, leaving many investors anxious. But amidst the turmoil, there are whispers of opportunity on the horizon. Turbo is showing signs of a potential surge. What's happening that we are not seeing? And why are analysts starting to take notice? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. An interesting situation happened today in the world of cryptocurrency market statistics. Look On-Chain reported a massive outflow from Bitcoin ETFs. In the last 24 hours, almost 27,000 Bitcoin, equivalent to almost $2 billion, flowed out of 9 investment products. According to the report, while there were inflows into BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, a significant amount flowed out of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. This creates the impression of a huge outflow. However, the fact is that almost all of Grayscale's Bitcoin haven't just disappeared. They've been moved into the new Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust. So, the total net inflow of Bitcoin-related investment products for the day was actually different. Look On-Chain further corrected their post to reflect this. And because of this, the crypto world was thrown into a state of panic. The initial news of massive outflows from Bitcoin ETFs created fear and uncertainty among investors. Many thought that such a large withdrawal indicated a lack of confidence in Bitcoin's future, leading to concerns about a potential market downturn. The sudden movement of funds, especially such a significant amount, tends to shake the market's stability. However, as the full details emerged, it became clear that the situation was not as dire as it first appeared. The transfer to the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust was part of a strategic move rather than a loss of faith in Bitcoin. Despite the clarification, the initial wave of panic underscored just how sensitive the crypto market can be to large-scale transactions and news. But you might be wondering, what does this have to do with Turbo? Well, let me explain. Turbo has been showing a pattern that hints at another potential surge. Turbo seemed to be affected by the downtrend caused by the Bitcoin ETF outflows, which is why it was seen dipping. But luckily, investors have identified this as a potential flag for a surge. A recent chart from a user on X illustrates this trend quite clearly. The graph displays a recurring pattern, where each time this pattern appears, Turbo's price experiences a significant jump. So what's this pattern all about? Essentially, it's a signal of buying interest. Whenever the pattern emerges, it suggests that investors are becoming more enthusiastic about Turbo. This rising interest often leads to increased demand, driving the price higher. In simpler terms, when this pattern shows up, it's like a green light for potential gains. The past instances where this pattern appeared were followed by substantial price increases. If history repeats itself, Turbo might be gearing up for another exciting run. But that's just the beginning of the good news. Because as it turns out, Turbo is teaming up with CharmIQ to bring full AI governance to the project. A user on X recently shared the exciting news saying, "Apologies for our radio silence. Turbo Toads are partnering with CharmIQ to develop full AI governance for our project."
Hold up. Wait a minute. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because
Did anybody know about this with the Turbo Toad partnering with Charm IQ? So this is news to me as well. We built a team of AI-powered agents trained on our Turbo Toad data set, super slick, built by AI-generated AI. Oh, sorry. Built by AI-generated AI, governed by AI, which is interesting. We'll be sharing more coming soon. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that. Yes, 2.1 million turbo would definitely be okay. A million turbo would be okay. But now is a good time to buy. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But with the current price being down 13%, this is a good time to buy, right? Buy as the market is dipping to a new low, right? It's coming down for us to pick it up. Let me get back to this video. I'm gonna grab some water. Be right back.
Project. We have built a team of AI-powered agents trained on our TurboToad datasets. Super slick, built by AI, governed by AI. We will be sharing more very soon. So, what does this mean for Turbo? This partnership indicates a shift towards using advanced technology to manage the project. With AI governance, decision-making could become more efficient and responsive. The AI agents will analyze data from the TurboToads community, helping to shape the future of the project based on real insights. This innovation could attract more investors and users who are excited about the potential of AI in the crypto space. It shows that Turbo is not just keeping up with trends. They're
But how am I going to handle the forecasting?
Hex can handle that too. You stay in one place, use whatever tools or languages you want, whenever you want.
Gotta admit, this analysis is looking pretty choice. Okay, time to start screenshotting everything.
No, with Hex, you can publish your project as an interactive data app. You can drag and drop all the elements from your project, make them interactive, and publish it with one click.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
The boss doesn't need to download anything. Just send her the link and voila, you're on a one-way highway to promotion time.
leading the way with smart solutions that could enhance the entire ecosystem. And speaking of big moves, here's some Toad Ally awesome news. Just yesterday, Bitfinex dropped a bombshell for the Turbo community. They announced that they will be listing Turbo on their platform. This is a significant development, as being listed on a major exchange can greatly increase a token's visibility and accessibility to traders. For the Turbo community, this means more opportunities to buy and sell the token, which could attract new investors. It's a clear sign that Turbo is gaining traction in the market, and this listing could help propel its growth even further. In addition to that, we've also seen Uphold leading a giveaway worth $1,500 in crypto, and guess what? Turbo is one of the cryptocurrencies featured in this giveaway. This comes right after Turbo won a voting competition held by Uphold, showcasing the community's support and enthusiasm for the project. The excitement around Turbo just keeps growing. As if that weren't enough, we're seeing more and more people showing their belief in Turbo through additional giveaways. A recent post from a user on X shared that the winner of the Roaring Toady giveaway, which ran from July 16th to 31st, 2024, has been announced, where what winner will be receiving 6,900 Turbo tokens. This giveaway highlights something important. It's not just the big platforms that are rallying behind Turbo. Individuals in the community are also stepping up, showing their support and enthusiasm. It's clear that Turbo is not only making waves on major exchanges, but also winning hearts and support from everyday enthusiasts. While these giveaways might seem like small events when we look at the bigger picture, they play a crucial role in driving Turbo toward maturity and expanding its audience. Every time a giveaway occurs, it creates buzz and excitement within the community. Participants not only have the chance to win tokens, but they also engage with each other, share their thoughts, and foster a sense of belonging. This builds a vibrant community around Turbo, making it more than just a token. It becomes a movement.
I would say definitely be careful with the giveaways or airdrops. Turbo does not do airdrops. So if somebody's telling you they're affiliated with Turbo and have an airdrop, from what I can tell, there aren't any Turbo airdrops. And if you think so, check with Turbo Toad. What's this guy's name? The official Turbo site is Turbo Toad. Or you could ping me, but this is the official Turbo Toad site. Go check here and see if the airdrop is listed. If it's not listed here, it's probably not official.
Movement. As more people join in on the fun, they bring their networks into the fold. Friends and followers see the enthusiasm, and curiosity sparks interest in Turbo. This ripple effect is powerful. When individuals win tokens, they often share their experiences on social media, attracting even more attention to the project. These grassroots efforts are invaluable in building a loyal supporter base. Moreover, these events demonstrate that the Turbo community is active and engaged. Platforms and individuals alike are investing their time and resources, which reflects positively on the token's reputation. This organic support is essential for long-term growth. As the community strengthens, it attracts more investors and traders, driving demand for the token. In the crypto space, a thriving community is often a key indicator of a project's success. By participating in and promoting these giveaways, everyone contributes to a shared vision of Turbo's future. It's a testament to how small actions can lead to significant momentum, paving the way for Turbo to not only gain recognition, but also reach new heights in the competitive crypto market. And as a result of these giveaways and the buzz generated by advertisements, Turbo has quickly risen to become one of the most searched tokens on the X platform today. This surge in interest is a clear sign that all these efforts are paying off. The community's engagement and the growing visibility of Turbo are helping to fuel its expansion and attract new members. But there's even more exciting news on the horizon. With Turbo's rising popularity, the community is now channeling their energy into a new mission. They're rallying to demonstrate their collective strength and are actively pushing for the token to be listed on Binance. This is a significant step, as Binance is one of the largest and most influential exchanges in the crypto world. The community's push to get Turbo listed on Binance shows just how much momentum the token has gained. It's not just about the giveaways and promotions anymore. It's about a united effort to bring Turbo into the spotlight on a major platform. If successful, this could open the door to even greater opportunities and exposure for Turbo, marking another milestone in its journey. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video,
so shout out to Crypto Addicted. And as I was mentioning previously, the more Turbo gets exposure, the more videos people are going to put out. And like we're looking at yesterday in the live, there is a lot of new influencers talking about Turbo, which is what we want, right? We want the narrative to get out. We want the word to get out, and we want more people to tune in to Turbo. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe this video. And just checking to see if there's any new news. Excuse me. This is Turbo Toad merchandise shop coming soon. Amazing projects are coming your way. Stay tuned for upcoming AMA with full details. Please comment below with your questions and they will be answered. So shout out to Turbo Toad Token, the official Turbo page about the Turbo merch coming soon. Seems like everybody's making merch, which is a good thing. We want to get the word out. This is, we've added Turbo to OMO swap. Swap Turbo cross chain on Ethereum at OMO swap. Special thanks to Turbo Toad Token for the meme cred. Interesting. So let's see what this video is talking about. I guess we'll wrap it up. This is great news. Turbo Token Finance listing.
This video I will share you another base AI meme coin. Okay, and this meme coin has potential to, maybe you can see its major centralized chain listing soon. Okay, this meme coin is already $436 million market cap. Still this meme coin is not listed on KuCoin and Binance, but friends, in coming months definitely we can see its major centralized chain listing soon, including Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. Okay, why this meme coin is very very amazing, why this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap, I will show you us all reasons here. So you have to just for the computer, make sure to like video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you can see Turbo's name. Okay, this is the AI category meme coin. Okay, $0.006 current price. They dropped by almost 4% here. Market cap is, I already show you. Okay, I can see $436 million market cap. Still, this meme coin is not listed on tier one exchanges. Okay, not on in any major central exchanges. You can see in 1 year, price is pumped by nearly 5,000% here. Okay, nearly 5,000% pump in 1 year. This is amazing. In last 14 days, price is pumped by 65%. This is amazing, friends. Performance is really amazing. Last 24-hour trading volume was $107 million. And right now, this meme coin is also trading on CoinCo. So this is another amazing thing about this meme coin. 69 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Okay, so there's no more token left to come in circulation. Okay, so this meme coin is facing its first bull run and it's all supply is in circulation. So this is good. Okay, and coin is working on Ethereum chain. You can see nearly 36,000 holders. Okay, nearly 36,000 holders. Number of holders are also good. Okay, now you can see it's all further details that this is the AI meme coin. Okay, friends, you can see artificial intelligence AI meme coin. So that is why this meme coin has the awesome narrative. Okay, and we are just 35% down in its all-time high and 9,000% up in its all-time low. Coin has already killed 2 0 since its launching. Okay, this meme coin was launched in previous year. Okay, 2023, and since its launching, coin has already killed 2 zeros, and still this is not start of bull run. Okay, so you can definitely see what this meme coin can do in this coming mega bullion. Okay, I think this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion meme coin. Coin is already listed on MEX exchange where I'm holding this meme coin. Okay, Get.io has also listed, CoinX is listed, Polynix is listed. Okay, and NoRDX is listed. Too many exchanges has listed, but still there's no any major centralized exchange that has listed this coin. Here you can see not on Binance, not on Bybit. Okay, but friends, definitely this meme coin has potential to, we can see its major central exchange listing soon, including I think Binance will definitely list in this year this meme coin. Okay, you can also check us all further details on their website. You can see meme coin.
I thought there was actually some relative information here, but this guy seems to be rambling on about what we already know about a Binance listing, which is weird.
Made by
But
AI for the people. Okay, and this is a turbo token. Okay,
yeah, but I guess we kind of missed the boat on that one. So I was actually, what? That's weird. Yeah, I was actually expecting some relatively interesting information. So I'm kind of off with the video. So we'll see what Ro's talking about. And shout out to Ro for constantly making Turbo videos. If I did mention Turbo, Ro was Indian. I'm sorry, Ro. I just assumed, and when you assume, you make an ass of yourself. So sorry, I apologize if you were mentioning me there. But let's see what Ro's talking about with Miro or Miro while I'm looking for more turbo information.
Dog, coin is going crazy. If you don't know what coin that is, well, it's ticker MYRO. Myro. I was literally about to say mute because I filmed the video before this. But guys, Myro is dumping. We're at insanely low levels. And I know there's a lot of fear in the markets right now. But to me, hey, this is a really good sign. I am excited because this means I could load up on a lot of coins at a super, super low value. I don't know about you guys, but I'm all smiles when I see corrections like this. And this is exactly how you guys want to be taking a look at it as well. What is going on, guys? My name is Ro. If you are new to the channel, I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content, and I'm here to take a look and cover what is actually going on with the Solana gem Myro.
is the new virtual
So
assistant
if you're
from
new, subscribe, hit the bell. I post 3 times a
Wells
day,
Fargo.
and I'm trying to help you guys navigate these crypto markets. With that being said, if you guys want to talk to me, see what crypto I hold, or you have questions about faith, fitness, crypto, cars, whatever it may be, send me a DM over on Instagram at Roshan Silva. I'd love to get to talk to you guys, get to know you guys.
So let's see what this guy's talking about. And if not, we can come back to Ro. This is a short video.
What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Turbo. We're down 10% on the day, sitting at 0.004987. Market cap 321 million, 24-hour volume 70 million. So with the deeper pullback, we have to look at a wave 2. So basically, what you would look at is wave 1 to the upside, wave 2. This peak right here is the 345. If the 78.6% breaks at 0.00397888, it increases the likelihood of breaking this low at 0.00298814 and coming lower. But if we can hold this pullback zone, which is definitely possible looking at BTC, then we can pull back in between 0.00397888 and 0.00480023 and see continuation back to the upside in a larger wave 3. I think that's more likely than coming all the way down and breaking this low. But of course, anything can happen. So the key level to watch is a 78.6% fib. If it breaks, it gives more confirmation that we will come down and break this low. But if we can bounce from the zone, which I think is the more likely scenario, then we can push up in that wave 3. That's really all we have to look at. We're just going through a correction. It can be boring if you're shorting the market. Shout out to you. But we have our wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and we've seen our first potential impulse if we hold this pullback zone, and then continue to the upside in the larger wave 3 target. As you guys know, if you've been following the videos, is 0.0199125. That's really it for Turbo. There's not much more to say. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, absolutely slaying it this week.
Actually, there really is not a lot of turbo news going down. I guess on the days when things aren't really crazy, nobody's talking about it. But as soon as there's a slight pump, there's definitely a lot of news there. So let's go back to the labor markets.
So just to follow up on that a bit, if inflation behaves as you expect between now and September, would you regard a cut in September as sort of the baseline scenario right now?
So I guess I would think about it this way. I'll give an example of cases in which it would be appropriate to cut, and maybe that it wouldn't be appropriate to cut. So if we were to see, for example, inflation moving down quickly or more or less in line with expectations, growth remains, let's say, reasonably strong, and the labor market remains, consistent with its current condition, then I would think that a rate cut could be on the table at the September meeting. If inflation were to prove stickier and we were to see higher readings from inflation, disappointing readings, we would weigh that along with the other things. I think it's going to be not just any one thing. It's going to be the inflation data. It's going to be the employment data. It's going to be the balance of risks as we see it. It's going to be the totality of all of that help us make this decision.
And just to follow up on that, specifically, in what ways right now, given all you've seen over the last few months in particular on shelter, on services, et cetera, in what ways are you not confident right now that inflation is on the way back to 2%?
I think it's just a question of seeing more good data. We have seen the last couple of readings have certainly added to confidence, and we've seen progress across all three categories of core PCE inflation. That's goods, non-housing services, and housing services. So it's really just, we had a quarter of poor inflation data at the beginning of the year. Then we saw some more good inflation data. We had 7 months at the end of last year. We just want to see more and gain confidence.
So I definitely
As I
don't.
said, we
Definitely don't trust that. I'm pretty sure September is going to come and he's going to find another reason not to raise or cut the interest rate again like he's been doing all year. So I don't know what's going on with the Fed and these interest rates, but
Yo, Turbo
things
Toad,
are getting
so
crazy
I really,
out here in
really
these streets.
appreciate you guys pulling up to my new channel. Right. My thing today is a lot of people don't really
So shout out to TJ the homie trying to get his channel back on track. Play this for a couple
realize
minutes.
it, but they need to realize that Turbo Coin is the one that you need to buy. And yes, I say buy now, but that's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm a homie guy to you as I guide myself in this crazy market we live in, as always, right? So if you really, really think about what I have to say in this video, I would appreciate that, right? But speaking on the Bitfinex situation, it is live now for transactions or whatnot, and that's good. But why is Turbo still going down? You may be asking. Why should I buy it when it's red? So my thing is Bitcoin isn't really moving in a positive direction today. And that's fine. That's completely fine. Yeah, we might want Bitcoin to go up right now because all our bags will start going up if Bitcoin pushes the whole market, right? Okay. So that is kind of why Turbo's going down or not really moving necessarily. We're down 1% for the past 24 hours. The past 6 is 3.26. It's mostly because of Bitcoin, because if you look at the charts and then you look at the transactions, we're having a lot of buying pressure right now, but the selling pressure is almost about even with a volume of $836,000, which is very, very freaking good. And yes, I use Dex Tools because Dex Tools literally shows you everything about a project. Okay. So if you look at this, let's go to a 15-minute chart. Okay. In the 15-minute chart, we're very, very stagnant at the time. And that happens, right? It's okay. I ain't really worried about it. But on the 4-hour, we had a lot of volume, but then now we're having a lot of sell pressure going on currently. So my thing is, you need to relax. You need to know that buying right now is the perfect time. Okay. And this is just what I would do, in my opinion. Right now is a very good buying opportunity for the new on-comers. Now, when you've been in cryptocurrency for a while, you've been with Turbo for a long minute. Your job right now is to literally share these kind of videos, show love to the Turbo YouTubers, because we're pushing out.
Definitely show love because this YouTube thing is not easy. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and super chat your main man BTM, but definitely share and subscribe so we can get the Turbo community more out there and get the word in the streets. These YouTube streets ain't no joke, but definitely want to get the word and pass it along as things start to unwind. We'll look at the 15-minute chart. Looks like RSI is still down. MACD's way down, and we are still losing volume. And we'll look at the 4-hour chart. Looks the same. I think this is relative RSI is down. We're losing volume. And let's check the bubbles. So bubbles are continuing to red. So the market continues to bleed out. Not a whole lot going. Actually, Turbo is up a little bit in the last hour. Current market cap is 307.5 million. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. So there might be some push up, even with the Fed news. There might be some changes coming down the pipeline. So let's shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So we'll have to wait it out and see. That was yesterday. Trying to see if there's any new information. This is mainly just Caspa and oh yeah, this guy. These tiny bears won't do anything to our toad. It looks like the scrapping the toad and the bear. Turbo Toad, BTC Daily. Before posting the action wide, Turbo is dipping. Do some market analysis. Go view the entire market being red. Shout out to Screaming Toad. BTC is 3 straight red days. The fact being held, we held at 0053 for as long as we did is quite remarkable. And he's right, with Bitcoin down, right, for the 3rd straight day. Turbo held pretty strong until today, right? So I was actually, well, this guy's got everything on here. So yeah, across the board, dude, look, there is nothing green. I think I see, there's a lot of freaking crypto, but I think I see one green spot across the whole Binance network. Let's see, can you pull Binance up? I don't know how you're doing. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get that up. And it looks like it's coming. Pause. No Diddy. Yeah, I don't see that one. That's weird. Like it was right here somewhere, but I don't see that one green bubble. This is green. What is this? It's actually up 4% today. I think that might be the only green thing in the market. Looking. Give me a second here to make sure we didn't miss anything. Yeah, I don't see any green here, which is pretty cool because the whole market is for sale today, right? I told you guys, not financial advice, but always buy on red and sell on green. Just keep it simple. Turbo is ready for the big leap. So I think once things turn around, maybe tomorrow or over the weekend, and big shout out, August 3rd, my birthday. So birthday's coming up. So over the weekend, hopefully we see a slight birthday turbo push. But oh wow. No, it's not today. Tomorrow. Set a reminder, definitely pick this AMA up tomorrow. See what's going on. This is pretty cool. The fully armed Turbo Toad, let's go, is reporting for duty. Okay, Turbo Toad, we see you. We see you. But we're over 40 minutes, so I was going to shut it down. Just wanted to pop in. This wasn't going to be a long video. Just wanted to pop in to see. What is this? Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, just wanted to pop in and see and kind of calm you guys down because things are getting crazy, but the market is not done yet, guys. We are just beginning. We're still early on in the Turbo Toad turn up. Let me see here. Turbo Revolution. Let's see if there's any new postings real quick. And if not, we can shut it down. Definitely not selling Pepe and Turbo. And shout out to this guy. This guy admitted he wasn't going to get a lot of fancy equipment. He was just going to do it with what he had. Check this guy's glasses out. And check this guy out. Turkey versus Serbia. Serbia's got all this, and this guy has nothing but a gun. There's no glasses. There's no headset. There's no fancy equipment. It's just him and the pistol. So this guy's official, like a hit man with a pistol. Let's go. Turbo. Yeah, my 360-day challenge of buying Turbo every day just isn't enough to prop everything up. Altcoin Cup. Talked about this. Wow, just imagine alone would make sure I never ever would buy your dying coin. Buy Turbo and you won't feel so violent. You are blocked. Okay. Not 100% sure what happened here, but that's weird. Altcoin mania, don't panic. Sell Turbo holders. This is where millionaires are made. And he's right. This is when the market changes for you. You got a diamond handed. According to CoinGecko, Turbo is gathering and just about ready to defeat the bear. And looks like the Turbo Toad army is strong. Turbo Toad, turn up. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad army, the Turbo Toad warriors, and Turbo turn up. Let's go. And I didn't want to hold you guys all morning. Just wanted to pop in. Doesn't look like there's a lot of market news going today. I was expecting to see a video from Zap. What the freak happened to Zap this morning? That's weird. He usually makes a video every morning, and there's no video today. So I don't know. That's weird. Go back and check to see if there's anything.
What is going on, everybody? Zap Franca here. It is a beautiful rainy day in America, and I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm thankful. I'm thankful for every one of you. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the subscriptions. And while I'm making this video, it is raining. I don't know if you can hear me as well, but I have a request for you. There is a YouTube channel that no longer exists due to a single copyright strike because he was live streaming the Bitcoin conference in Nashville. His YouTube channel name is TJ the Crypto Homie, and he's a fellow Turbo guy. He's one of the three people that I listened to briefly. I mean, I own Turbo, but before seeing these guys, but when I started searching Turbo, after I bought it up a little bit, TJ the Crypto Homie, Black Tiger Miner, and I think it's Crypto Galaxy. I forget. There were three channels that I saw. And then there was a random one that doesn't actually make YouTube videos. But anyway.
Shout out to Zap Franco for mentioning your main man, BTM, and TJ the Homie. So shout out to Zach for that. Appreciate it, Zach. And I'm trying to see how come there's no video from Zap today, which is weird because I generally watch his videos every morning. So it's kind of strange he didn't make a video today. I hope everything is okay with Zap. I guess prayers and shout outs to Zach. Make sure everything's cool and nothing happened because this is like the first time I didn't see him make a video. But I hope everything is okay out there. Thanks for the shout out. And we'll check back with you this evening.
TJ the Crypto Homie, if you can look him up, he lost his entire channel. He had 1,800 subscribers, and he is a, yeah, okay, we'll forgive him, okay? He's a Turbo and a Kendu Inu YouTuber, but hey, that's okay, right? I like ore. There's nothing wrong with having a side hustle. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, but for real though, give him a subscription. I think he's at like 11 subscribers right now. He just started fresh. His first video was a Turbo video. I got to shout him out. I may do that.
I'm tripping. I wasn't even broadcasting the video. What the frick? Let me start over again.
Briefly. I mean, I own Turbo, but before seeing these guys, but when I started searching Turbo, after I bought it up a little bit, TJ the Crypto Homie, Black Tiger Miner, and I think it's Crypto Galaxy.
So shout out to Zap. Sorry, Zap, I didn't have the video up earlier. I was looking on my other screen and I realized I'm not even showing the video. But thanks, Zap, for the shout out. And want to check on Zap, anybody that heard from him or talked to him. He generally makes a video every morning, and there was no video this morning. So I just want to check back, see if you guys heard anything, or make sure this guy's okay, because we support everyone who supports us. And there was no video this morning, which is kind of strange, but I'm not going to hold you guys too long. Thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for checking the videos. Thanks for shouting out your main man, BTM. And I guess we're going to call it a day. We might go live tonight at 8:30. Don't forget the Turbo Toad Turn Up. So if you are around, check us out this evening for a Turbo Toad Turn Up. And I might try to get a Casper video out today as well. But I mainly wanted to double check with you guys just to stoke some of the fears and keep back this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and make sure you guys don't get caught up in the FOMO when the price starts to pump. And as you can see here, the total market's down, guys. This is Binance. This is everything. And we'll go back to favorites because that's kind of a lot. But you can see here, there's not a single red bubble on the market. This has to do, again, with the Fed and the interest rate that was not cut again for the month of August. Now he's talking about September. And I'm pretty sure September will come. He's going to do the same thing in September. So just keep an eye on that. Turbo Toad Perpetuals Futures now live on turbotoken.io. See if there's any other new news. Turbo tracking, Turbo on BitFit is live. Is a good time to mention that Turbo Toad token has no taxes. I'm not even sure what this is. This is I invested in Turbo to become free. Who will be the Ethereum-based leader in the mega season? Well, I was going with Turbo there. Let's see if there's any other news. Yes, everything is going down, but losing the 005 level is not good at L. Not sure what at L means, but I think we'll be okay. So what is this? Good morning from Devon and Devon Army. First coin made entirely by AI software and launched autonomously by Devon AI. Okay, we're definitely not shilling somebody else's coins. Come check it out if you want Solana exposure. I might check it out. I do have some Solana, but let me check it out before I push it on the channel. Get back to you guys. But again, got about a minute left. Thank you for joining. Let me know if anybody's heard anything from Zap Franco, right? And shout out to Zap for shouting out your main man BTM. And it's weird he didn't put a video out today, so I'm kind of concerned. But let me know what you guys hear, if you heard anything. And if not, I'll give you an update this evening at 8:30 for the Turbo Toe Turn Up. So thanks for supporting the channel, and thanks for helping us get the word out. And we'll see you guys this evening. Peace out. This is Black Tiger Miners signing out. And remember, let's get back to the money, guys.